I needed this. I need this. Because my feet need Jesus. And this is close to Jesus on earth. Hi there. Welcome to Skin First Daily, where we talk about all things skincare. Skincare. So I have a confession to make. I haven't had a pedicure all winter long. I know, don't judge me. My feet is not like the worst feet in the world. But, I mean, it is kind of cracked and old looking. There's some of you out there who haven't done the same, but that is fine because I have got the remedy to make our feet look brand new right in time for the summertime. I found this product. Exfoliating foot mask. What it does is it removes all calluses over time, visibly smoothens your feet within 2 weeks, and it has papaya, lemon, apple, oranges, and other natural extracts to remove all the dryness and the dead skins and all that stuff, to leave you with fresh smelling, feeling soft feet. Oof. We're gonna follow the directions. We're gonna try it out and see what our feet looks like. So let's take a look at what my feet looks like before. Ugh. And do not judge me because I had to make my feet look like this for this video. Disclaimer. As you can see, my feet is like extremely hard and dry. It's really bad. So let's go ahead and go start using the mask. All right, so let's go ahead and open it. It's sealed, which is good, so you know no one's been in there. So remove the seal, open it up. It comes with two. So we're only gonna use one. So now that I've washed my feet, I'm gonna go ahead and tear this open. And this is what so this is what it looks like. So it's the foot, and you can see all the chemicals in it. So it smells like chemicals. It's been 2 weeks and 2 days since I did the review for the exfoliating foot mask, and I have to tell you, my feet have never looked this good. Oh my God, I was so surprised. I wasn't expecting it. So in the first week, it took my feet at least 7 days before I started seeing it peel. I actually was worried. If you follow me on Instagram, you remember me complaining about it, that oh my God, it's been 5 days and I'm not seeing any peel. It took it 7 days, and I kid you not, in 7 days after the 7 days, my skin peeled like I was shedding. Even my socks was filled with skin. Like, you shed a lot of skin. The thing is, I had a socks on most of the day because I was going to work, and even at nighttime, the only time I actually let my feet breathe was when I was going to bed. So I just sleep and then I just dust it off after in the morning, and all the ashiness and all the scaly skin that's on your feet all falls off. Like, my skin feels so soft. Oh my God. Like, I keep telling random people to touch it because I have never had my feet look this good. Do you buy this or do I trash it? Buy it. Oh my god. How many times have I said oh my god? I really love this foot mask. It comes with an extra pair. I'm probably going to do this again right before the summer starts if my feet starts looking crazy. But I will tell you this, moving forward, I am going to be rubbing coconut oil all over my feet before I go to bed, because I want to preserve the sexiness of my feet right now. Even my toes look better. I don't know what chemical they put on it, but my feet looks good. So I definitely recommend you buy this. I would have this in my store, Skin First Daily store. The link is below, and go ahead and purchase this. It comes with 2 pairs, so you could buy one for yourself and buy one for your friend, or you could buy 2 of them. Try it out. You would love it. I loved it. It definitely works. So this PUREDERM Exfoliating foot mask really does work. Even like the lines where usually like I get cracks are not there anymore. Like it's all, my feet feels super smooth, super soft, and looks brand new. It looks like I bought a new pair of feet. Like it looks very bright, you know, like my skin looks brighter. And it just feels good. Like now I have to spray sunscreen on my feet because it just looks so cute. So cute. I love it. I am loving my feet right now. Like, oh my god, I'm loving my feet. So thanks for watching my review. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you like this video, please click the like button, leave a comment and tell me, is this something you would want to try? Or you can just tell me the condition of your feet right now, because I know summer is coming up, and you know this is the moment where people need to start getting ready for the open toe season. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.